We now return to Mysteries of the Universe, the Dharma Initiative. A secret organization is only as private as its most public fact. And this we know. The Dharma Initiative exists. As we consider vivid eyewitness accounts and empirical evidence, we begin to shine a light in the darkest corners of this room. When conjecture, half-truths, and myths are pieced together, it stops being science fiction and becomes science fact. There are many things you can do. Be vigilant. Be aware. A secret organization such as the Dharma Initiative is not immune from making mistakes that you can be on the lookout for. For example, a village on the Isle of Tonga. On an otherwise unsuspecting day, the village is the sudden recipient of a 1-ton air-dropped food pallet. The smoking gun, again, the octagonal logo on a field of white. Every single foodstuff is labeled in this way: soup, chili, salad dressing, peanut butter, oatmeal, desserts, even beer and rum. Hardly the stuff of humanitarian aid. Manufacture? Unknown. Point of origin? Unknown. We think it was a mistaken resupply attempt for an outpost in the South Pacific. Is the Dharma Initiative located on one of the 169 islands of Tonga? Could it be that it was originally meant for the real location of the Dharma Initiative? And what happened to the plane? There are many stories of missing planes that have vanished while en route to islands like Tonga, the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious section of ocean in the Atlantic. Perhaps the Dharma Initiative is linked to this paranormal activity. And who would have the means to airdrop pallets of food or weapons? Alvar Hanso made his fortune supplying the resistance during World War II and did so by any means necessary. By land, by air, or by sea. He would have the knowledge and armada to create a supply line to an outlying post of secrecy. Ann Arbor, Michigan. A newspaper prints an article stating volunteers and test subjects are needed for an anthropology experiment that would require entire semesters abroad in a tropical locale. Sequestered from friends and family is a mandatory condition of participation, as is a rigorous aptitude test and a physical stress test. The person in charge? Gerald DeGroot, the graduate student who seems to have unlimited funding for his project. Our intrepid reporters made every effort to uncover the nature of his scholastic endeavor, but were given a no comment at every turn. Lab testing, a faraway base, secrecy. Mysteries of the Universe believes the Dharma Initiative is behind this educational experience. The highlights on this map of the world show where instances like this have been reported. Chances are a similar instance may occur near you. It is important to be vigilant and aware of anything that may appear suspicious. Look for these 2 clues. The octagonal logo, used as a special identifier to other members. We have found these 4 variations, but the possibility remains that there may be more. These lines surrounding the logo appear to be Oriental in nature, perhaps Communist China. 2. Job postings and openings for specialized positions that require the same testing of the criminally insane and a level of secrecy only used in the highest branches of government. Many pieces of the puzzle are still missing. But one thing we know is that this organization exists. Purpose? Unknown. We know its roots start with this man, Gerald DeGroot, and his benefactor, Alvar Hanso. We know it is recruiting for new members. We know that it has the power to maintain a fleet of submarines. It has weapons, an unlimited source of income, ties to the church, and we know it wishes to remain shrouded in secrecy. Will the stream of unanswered questions continue? Or will this enigma eventually be pushed or forced into the light of truth? Only time will tell the ultimate fate of this Mysteries of the Universe.